So, hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. And guys, in this video, I'll give you a complete idea about MA admission in IIT Hyderabad. So, guys, let's start. Guys, you can see this part, quick links. So, already IIT Hyderabad published their notification about MA admission, okay, for July 2021 season. Okay, so you have to click on it, and you will see this type of interface. Okay, and so just click on it, you will get this type of information. If you want to download a brochure, you can click on it. If you want to if you want to fill up the application, you have to go through this. Okay, so there are several steps. Okay, there are 11 steps. After that, your application will be completed. So just I want to show you something that is very necessary information. Okay, so first, in step number 1, you have to register first. Okay, and I will show you everything. Okay, and look guys, one more important information is application fee. So 300 rupees for general and OBC category male candidate, and 150 rupees for SCST PWD category male candidate, and for all women applicants, for applicant fees for this, for women applicants, like 150. So I think this information you can explore. Okay, so important dates, you can see these important dates. So you can apply up to 7th April. Okay, and for 4 p.m. Okay, so I think you will get lot of times, because your get result will be published on 22nd March. Okay, so you will get a minimum uh, 12 to 13 dates for your application. Okay, so I think this time is very good enough time to apply in this domain. So now I'll show you one more important information. Okay, one more important information. So guys, uh, look, this is the information brochure about MA admission. Look, this is the information brochure in liberal arts. Okay, Department of Liberal Arts. And look, eligibility criteria. So it is a 2-year full-time program. Okay, so candidates should not be employed in any organization. So it is the one of the major criteria. You should not be employed. Okay, so minimum eligibility criteria is 55% marks in your bachelor's degree, and shortlisted candidate, you have to face a written test and interview also. So it means that if your score like 60% in BSc, it does not mean that you will be eligible to get a call from this IIT. Okay, so if your CGPA is very good or CPI is very good, like above 70%, okay, and you do not have GATE 2021. Okay, and you do not have GATE 2021. So look guys, if your CGPA is very high, CGPA or CPI is very high, like if your CGPA is 8 CGPA or 8.5 CGPA. Okay, if your CGPA above 8, above 8.5, so you can apply. Or the students who have like result like 70% in their bachelor's degree, or CPI like above 7.5, 7.5 or 8, above 8, so you can apply. Okay, so GATE is not mandatory in IIT Hyderabad, so it is a very good news for you guys. So IIT Hyderabad already published all the details for 2021 July session, 2021 July season. So GATE exam is not mandatory qualification. Okay, but the students who will qualify GATE in this year, you should apply with GATE score. Okay, so it will give you some preference. Okay, you can get benefit from that. So this information I think will be really really helpful. If you need any further help, any further information, and one more important thing guys, so I'll make a different video about interview, what type of question you have to face, what type of what will be your written test method, everything. Okay, so look, selection, you can pause this video, you can read this selection procedure. Okay, so duration of this program, it is 4 semester program, that means 24 months. So I think this information will be really really helpful, and please share this information because all the students who are from humanities and social science background, they are waiting for MA admissions. Okay, so MA admission form, okay, now published in IIT Hyderabad. So I think this information will be really really helpful for you guys, all the students from humanities and social science backgrounds. All of you are waiting, I know that, for admission in IIT, because this is the first time IIT GATE authority conducted a exam about humanities and social science paper. And a different IIT, like they are offering a new program, MSc program. Okay, I'll give you all the information. MSc in digital humanities. Okay, so MSc in digital humanities is a very good program in IIT Jodhpur. MSc in digital humanities. Okay, digital humanities in IIT Jodhpur. So listen guys, so you can learn coding Python. Okay, coding Python, everything, and statistics also. And statistics will be really really in Jodhpur. Okay, IIT Jodhpur. So I think this information will be really really helpful. So MSc in in digital humanities, and MSc in like social media and culture, and that is that course, you will get that, you will get this course in IIT Dhanbad. So that is MTech course. Okay, and this course like MSc course in um, all these courses are under the humanities and social science department. So I think this information will be really really helpful. If you need any help, uh, you can inform me by email, by sending WhatsApp messages in my WhatsApp number. Already I have given my number in several videos. And one more important thing, uh, please share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, thank you, all the best, tata bye bye from my side, and Jai Hind and Bande Mataram.